Hey folks, Jeff here with my Tennessee home solution. And just wanted you to know we'll buy houses rain or shine. Today, it's a drizzly, dark, gray, rainy day in Mount Juliet, Tennessee, but it's a beautiful day to buy a house. And so whether it's rain, shine, snow, sleet, if you've got a home that you need to sell, give us a call. We buy houses with cash. We buy them as is, and we make it as simple on you as it could possibly be. You can see this home behind me has a lot of overgrowth with their landscaping. The projects have just gotten away, and the home reached a point to where the seller just couldn't get caught up. So they called us. We're going to come out and take care of all the heavy lifting, and we'll make it simple. Buying the home as is with cash. And so if you too find yourself in a position where you have a home that you need to sell, give us a call. Be glad to work with you.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.